We're the risk takers, engineers, athletes, leaders. As Girl Scouts, we know who we are, what we're made of, and where we'll go next. We're all Girl Scout. Are you?
Hello, and welcome to the 2021 Community Awards of Distinction, presented by UPMC and UPMC Health Plan and benefiting Girl Scouts Western Pennsylvania. I'm Caroline Parker, a senior Girl Scout of Troop 42101 of Davidsville, Pennsylvania, and one of your MCs for today's program. This annual event celebrates extraordinary leaders from the greater Johnstown region and beyond, highlights Girl Scouting in action, and builds critical charitable support to keep our programs going strong. Thank you to all sponsors and donors for making today's event a success. Now more than ever, children and teens need programs like Girl Scouts to help us build educational, career, social, and leadership skills that create lifelong success and happiness. Your financial support of Girl Scouts helps to ensure that more youth can discover their untapped potential and become the innovators that our communities and nation need. Thank you for believing in me and my fellow Girl Scouts, and enjoy today's program.
Hello, I'm Tim Brown, owner and founder of McAllister Brown Associates, LLC. I am pleased to be the event chair of this year's Community Awards of Distinction to benefit Girl Scouts Western Pennsylvania. As the father of 2 current Girl Scouts and the husband of a troop leader, I am honored to do my part to advance the cause. The awardees we honor today are women who have improved our community through service, philanthropy, and leadership. Their career leadership accomplishments serve to advance greater gender equity in their field and are an inspiration to Girl Scouts today. Additionally, our new Silver Award Girl Scout of Distinction recognition celebrates current Girl Scouts who are already taking the lead to address real-world needs in their communities. I would like to extend a hearty thank you to everyone who supported this critical fundraiser. That includes our sponsors, advertisers, donors, and our 2021 event committee. Finally, please enjoy a special salute to today's program to frontline and essential workers who have supported our community's health and well-being throughout the pandemic and enabled us to focus on the brighter future that is approaching. Thank you and enjoy the program.
Hello and welcome. I'm Pat Burkhart, CEO of Girl Scouts Western Pennsylvania. Thank you for joining us for our 2021 Community Awards of Distinction. While we continue to live through the pandemic, we gather virtually to honor extraordinary community leaders, celebrate the Girl Scout mission, and to build vital support for our continued programming. Thank you to our 2021 event chair, Tim Brown, to our presenting sponsor, UPMC and UPMC Health Plan, to our event committee, and to everyone who supported today's program. In a year when it felt like nothing would ever be the same, our dedication to Girl Scouts and their amazing potential remains steady and true. And that was made possible by the dedication of volunteers, support of parents and guardians, and creative staff. And Girl Scouts were unstoppable in so many ways, taking action to be helpers and young leaders in our communities needed. Together, we will persevere, united in our mission to build girls of courage, confidence, and character who make the world a better place. Thank you.
Thank you again to our Girl Scout Council CEO, Patricia Burkhart, and our event chair, Tim Brown, for your words of welcome. Hello, I'm Natalie, a Girl Scout ambassador. We thank you for your support of Girl Scouts in any way, as donors, volunteers, and customers for the Girl Scout Cookie Program or another product program. Your support makes Girl Scouts possible. A special thanks to the following organizations for your sponsorship of today's event.
Our presenting sponsors, UPMC and UPMC Health Plan. Diamond sponsor, PNC. Platinum sponsors, Highmark Blue Cross Blue Shield and Peoples. Our silver sponsor, CTC Foundation. Bronze sponsors, AmeriServe and Kongsberg. Supporter sponsors, First Summit Bank, Community Foundation for the Alleghenies, EMAP, JWF Industries, Martin Baker America, and Wesseling Company. Our individual patron sponsor, Mark Pasquarilla, and our individual supporter sponsors, Amy and Penn Whitlow.
This group of community leaders helped raise this final total in support of Girl Scouts Western Pennsylvania. Congratulations.
Hello, I am Tamika Mickle, Chief Operating Officer for Girl Scouts of Western Pennsylvania. I joined our Girl Scout Council in March 2020, and so a pandemic world is all I have known during my leadership so far at Girl Scouts. However, the Girl Scouts traits of perseverance, adaptability, and compassion have shown through in all the teams that I'm honored to lead. We are committed to making Girl Scouts a space that reflects and celebrates the diversity of the region we serve, especially in communities without a strong tradition of Girl Scouts. To achieve this, we offer a preschool Daisy Launch program to help Girl Scouts and their grown-ups get ready for the official kindergarten program year. We provide financial assistance to help with the cost of membership dues, uniforms, and program fees. We deliver grant-funded programs in under-resourced communities, including Johnstown. And we welcomed a Spanish-speaking staff member to our team to support our efforts to reach more youth in the Latinx communities. Thank you for your support to help bring Girl Scouts to more youth today, so that they have the tools to take charge of their futures and to make their mark on the world.
Hi, I am Tessa, a Girl Scout junior from Western Pennsylvania. This year has been a challenge like no other, but Girl Scouts has persevered because we are Girl Scout strong. Girl Scouts enjoyed activities in science, technology, engineering, and math. We explored the outdoors, learned about natural sciences and conservation, and even learned survival skills. Girl Scouts also built practical life skills to help us build our skills in areas like creativity, problem solving, communication, and citizenship. And not even a pandemic can stop the iconic Girl Scout cookie program. We put our entrepreneurship skills to work to fund our fun. Most importantly, we use everything we learn to take action and help others, especially through our bronze, silver, and gold award program. Thanks to the dedication of volunteers, staff, community partners, Girl Scout family, and our generous supporters. Girl Scouts like me were reminded that we have the power to make a positive difference in the world. We are Girl Scouts strong and always will be.
Hello, I'm Victoria Cush. I'm currently a litigation shareholder at the law firm of Buchanan, Ingersoll, and Rooney here in Pittsburgh. I serve on the board of directors of Girl Scouts Western Pennsylvania, and in 2016, I was honored to be named Girl Scouts Woman of Distinction in the field of government and law. But my involvement with Girl Scouts actually dates many years back, where as a youth, I grew through the ranks of Girl Scouts and enjoyed many summers of happiness at Camp Conchitava. Now, I enjoy contributing to the Girl Scouts through leadership, governance, as a donor, and as a planned giver through the National Juliet Gordon Low Society for Planned Giving. This is a phenomenal opportunity to give back to our Girl Scouts Council and be recognized during your lifetime. There are donors who have committed to make planned gifts as young as their 30s. And here to tell you more about this opportunity is the founding chair of the Juliet Gordon Low Society for Planned Giving, Diane Belk.
Hi, I'm Diane Belk, founding chair of the Juliet Gordon Low Society, a group of about 5,000 wonderful supporters who have remembered Girl Scouts in their legacy plans. When I was a young girl in the Mississippi cotton fields with few alternatives, Girl Scouts was there for me, just as they have been for every American girl since 1912. I've made several planned gifts because I want to make sure that Girl Scouts is here for another 100 years, building tomorrow's world leaders. It's easy to make a planned gift, whatever your means. Get started at legacy.girlscouts.org and come join me in the Juliet Gordon Low Society.
Hi, I'm Eva Spengler, a Girl Scout ambassador, and I am pleased to now begin the awards portion of today's program. Please visit our event website for full bios of our honorees. Their achievements and leadership journeys are truly extraordinary. Our first award honors a Silver Award Girl Scout, whose project was exceptional in terms of measurable impact and sustainable support. The Silver Award is one of the highest achievements in Girl Scouts. This year's honoree is Savannah Ross. Savannah's Silver Award project, Caring Connections, was an intergenerational program between local senior nursing homes and schools to send greeting cards for special occasions to elderly in these facilities, some of whom would not otherwise receive any greetings or visits from outside of their facility. The program outline was made so it could continue beyond Savannah's graduation and be scaled out to other schools and nursing home facilities. Congratulations to our first ever Silver Award Girl Scout of Distinction, Savannah Ross.
Hi, my name is Savannah Ross. I am a junior at Brockway Area High School and an ambassador in Girl Scout Troop 20111. First, I would like to thank the nominating committee and the Girl Scouts of Western Pennsylvania. For my Silver Award project, I wanted to do something with the local nursing homes. Making greeting cards has always been one of my favorite things to do, so I wanted to incorporate that into my project. I asked teachers from our elementary school to help by having their students create cards as well. We made cards for the residents' birthdays and any holidays that had fallen in that month. During this project, I learned how intergenerational activities can be so important and how to communicate with older generations like the teachers and the activity director at the nursing home. I hope to inspire younger Girl Scouts to keep my project going. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Carly, an Ambassador Girl Scout, and I am pleased to introduce our 2021 Leader of Distinction, Melissa Komar. This honor is awarded to one adult from the Girl Scouts of Western Pennsylvania geographic region whose career accomplishments serve to advance gender equity in their field and are an inspiration to Girl Scouts today. Melissa is currently the Executive Director of the Johnstown Redevelopment Authority. This organization works to eliminate blighted areas for reuse and to provide suitable living environments, as well as adequate employment opportunities for the citizen of Johnstown. Congratulations to our 2021 Leader of Distinction, Melissa Komar.
Hello, I am so honored to be a part of the 2021 Awards of Distinction, and I would like to first thank Girl Scouts of Western Pennsylvania for this recognition. As a woman in a leadership role in my career, there have been many bumps in the road. The best advice for young women who wish to take on the world someday is to allow your own passion to drive your success. Never allow anyone to create boundaries for you. Create your own boundaries based on your search for success. And most of all, never be afraid to ask questions. Never stop your own desire to learn, and never stop seeking a role model in your life. My inspiration and role model is the next generation. Every decision that I make and every project that I implement is done with the intent of making the world a better place for the youth of our region. Thank you again to Girl Scouts of Western Pennsylvania, and best of luck to all of the young women watching today. The world is yours.
Hello, I'm Samantha, a Girl Scout senior, and I am pleased to introduce our Amy Bradley, recipient of the 2021 Joyce M. Murtha Excellence in Community Service Award. This honor is awarded to an individual or couple from Greater Johnstown who has embodied the award's namesake's values of improving the community through service, philanthropy, and leadership. Amy is President and CEO of the Cambria Regional Chamber. In this role, Amy and her team have enhanced programming and events and welcomed a record number of new chamber members. Congratulations to our 2021 Community Service Award honoree, Amy Bradley.
Hi, I'm Amy Bradley, and I'm honored to receive the Girl Scouts Western Pennsylvania Community Distinction Award. I love my job with the Cambria Regional Chamber because I get to work with community leaders, many of them women, who are working really hard to move our region forward in a positive way. I was both a Brownie and a Girl Scout, and the best part of that for me was that my mom was my troop leader, and she's a role model for me. A piece of advice I have for young ladies is to find positive female role models in your life. For me, another role model is my sister. She's an entrepreneur and works harder than anyone I know. And even my own daughter, although she's young, only 24, she has an outstanding work ethic and so much compassion, and that makes her a role model for me as well. So find those women in your life who can inspire you and help move you forward. Another piece of advice, don't live life virtually. Technology is wonderful, but make sure you're getting out and experiencing things, not just recording them. And finally, the Girl Scout rule would remind us to be kind and considerate, helpful and caring. These are traits that can be real game changers. And with these traits, we indeed can make the world a better place. Thank you.
Congratulations again to all of our 2021 honorees. Hello, I am Macy. I'm Miranda. And I'm Mariah. And we are Girl Scout Brownies. To conclude our awards program, we have a special video salute to thank our essential workers, especially the Girl Scout grown-ups. Let's roll the tape.
Hi, I'm Amelia, a Girl Scout ambassador. The phrase essential worker has been a buzzword for more than a year, but the people who help to provide critical goods and services and life-saving healthcare are not strangers behind a mask. They are our neighbors, friends, and family, and many are Girl Scouts. Essential workers are also Girl Scout moms, dads, guardians, and family who have worked hard to keep their Girl Scouts engaged during this time of hardship.
Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Colleran, and I'm an emergency medicine physician at Allegheny Health Network, St. Vincent here in Erie, Pennsylvania. I'm also a very proud lifetime member of Girl Scouts and an even more prouder mom of Girl Scouts Maddie and Charlotte.
Essential workers are also Girl Scout volunteers who continue to lead each meeting and activity with a smile on their face even after a long day at work.
Hi, my name's Misty. I am the school nurse at Westmont and work at Conemaugh Hospital as a nurse.
Hi, my name's Jessica, and I am a Girl Scout mom as well as a Girl Scout troop leader. I currently work as an occupational therapist at UPMC Presbyterian Hospital in Oakland.
Essential workers are also Girl Scout alum who build their courage, confidence, and character at the campfire circle and at their Girl Scout cookie booths years ago.
Hi, my name is Maria Munch, and I'm a resident physician in orthopedic surgery at UPMC.
And essential workers are even Girl Scout teens today, putting their leadership skills to work immediately even as they continue to grow them.
Hi, I'm Nina Haddock, and I'm an essential worker in food services and also a current Girl Scout senior.
If it wasn't for my mom who took the time to be our Girl Scout leader of our troop, as well as other women who volunteered, I would not have learned to interact with adults and other leaders confidently. Girl Scouts really showed me how to be a very strong, independent woman. These skills are so necessary in the professional world, and I thank you.
Being a Girl Scout troop leader has led me through this pandemic. We've stayed together, we've worked together, we've Zoomed, and we have continued our awesome troop.
My experience as a Girl Scout has led me to thrive in this setting by encouraging me to pursue my loves of orthopedics and engineering in a male-dominated field.
Girl Scouts has helped me to be a good communicator, handle conflict resolution, and the confidence to work with customers in a high-pressure situation during a pandemic.
I think what I've learned over this past year is the importance of building resilience and maintaining safe spaces. And what Girl Scouts really helps impart on our girls is the importance of building those life skills so that they can tackle whatever challenges come their way throughout the course of their life.
To our essential and frontline workers everywhere, from the Girl Scout family and beyond, Girl Scouts of Western Pennsylvania says,
thank you for all the frontline workers, especially my mom. She works at UPMC and she is an occupational therapist.
Thank you for helping Girl Scouts. Thank you to our essential workers. Thank you to all the essential workers who have kept us going. And thank you for all you do. Thank you to our essential workers. Thank you to our essential workers, especially my mom, because she's a school nurse. To all of the frontline workers, thank you for all you do. And I am so proud of my mom, who is a nurse. Thank you to our essential workers. Thank you for keeping our community safe and healthy.
Thank you for all that you do to keep our communities going, to save lives and to change lives. We are truly grateful for all that you do, and we salute you.
Hello, I'm Carly, a Girl Scout ambassador. If you're inspired by today's program and want to get involved as a volunteer member, please visit our website to learn more. This concludes our 2021 Community Awards of Distinction to benefit the Girl Scouts of Western Pennsylvania. Thank you again to our event chair, Tim Brown, our event committee, our presenting sponsor, UPMC and UPMC Health Plan, all our charitable event contributors, and you for joining us to celebrate. Your support is invaluable to keep the doors of opportunity open for all Girl Scouts.